Welcome to a world where nature's raw beauty meets sleek, contemporary living. Today, we're diving into the modern rustic style, taking you on a room-by-room journey through a home that perfectly balances the warmth of rustic charm with the clean lines and simplicity of modern design. Imagine spaces that feel both cozy and sophisticated, where natural materials blend seamlessly with minimalist elements, creating a home that's not just lived in, but truly experienced. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of reclaimed wood or the sleek surfaces of modern design, this video will inspire you to imagine a home that feels both timeless and fresh. Let's explore how each room captures the essence of this harmonious style. We begin in the living room, the soul of the modern rustic home. Picture walking into a space that welcomes you with open arms, the atmosphere grounded by rich, earthy tones and natural textures. The walls could be a mix of exposed brick or wooden paneling, lending a rugged authenticity to the space, while high, vaulted ceilings showcase impressive wooden beams. These beams are often made from reclaimed timber, their weathered surfaces telling a story of time and endurance. This rustic foundation is beautifully contrasted by sleek, modern furnishings. A streamlined sectional sofa in neutral tones, perhaps, with plush, soft cushions that invite you to sink in and relax. A minimalist coffee table, crafted from metal or reclaimed wood, sits at the center, grounded by a natural wool or jute rug that adds warmth to the hardwood floors. But what really defines the space are the large floor-to-ceiling windows that open up to breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine sunlight pouring into the room, illuminating the space with a soft, natural glow. The room feels open, airy, and connected to nature, as if the line between indoors and outdoors has been blurred. A stone fireplace, rustic yet modern in its design, provides the focal point, offering both warmth and a sense of calm. Above it, perhaps a piece of contemporary artwork or a simple wooden mantle, adding a personal touch without overwhelming the natural beauty of the materials. This living room is the perfect example of how modern rustic design brings together the old and the new, creating a space that feels as timeless as it does contemporary. Moving into the kitchen, we find that functionality and beauty coexist effortlessly. Here, the rustic meets the modern in one of the most important spaces of any home. The cabinetry is crafted from rich, reclaimed wood, offering a sense of history with its natural knots, grain, and imperfections. These cabinets aren't just practical storage spaces. They are works of art, grounding the room in nature's authenticity. The countertops, in contrast, are smooth and sleek, polished stone, quartz, or concrete, adding a contemporary flair and a touch of luxury to the design. This interplay between rough-hewn wood and sleek surfaces is what defines the kitchen's character, creating a balance that feels organic yet sophisticated. Above the island, imagine industrial-style pendant lights hanging from exposed wooden beams, casting a warm, inviting glow across the room. The kitchen island itself is a gathering place, a slab of polished stone atop a rustic wood base, perfect for meal prep, casual dining, or sharing a glass of wine with friends. Modern appliances blend seamlessly into the space, stainless steel, smart and efficient, offering the best of contemporary technology without detracting from the overall aesthetic. Open shelving made from thick, raw wood beams showcases simple, earthy dishware, perhaps with a few potted plants or handmade ceramics, enhancing the natural, organic feel of the room. This is a kitchen where rustic charm and modern design come together to create a space that is both functional and beautiful. designed for cooking, gathering, and living. As we step into the dining room, we encounter a space that's as much about connection as it is about design. At the center of the room stands a large, solid wood table, its surface marked by the natural grains and knots of the reclaimed timber it's crafted from. This table isn't just furniture, it's the heart of the dining space, a place where family and friends gather for meals, conversations, and shared memories. Its rustic nature is complemented by sleek modern chairs, perhaps with a minimalist design. Clean lines, sturdy wood frames, or even industrial metal seating that adds contrast without overshadowing the table's natural beauty. Overhead, a contemporary chandelier or industrial pendant lights hang from the ceiling, casting soft, warm light onto the table below. The lighting choice is crucial here. It can range from modern black metal fixtures to simple exposed bulbs that lend an industrial touch. The walls around the dining space are kept simple, perhaps with a feature wall of reclaimed wood or neutral paint in soft, earthy tones. Large windows frame views of the outdoors, whether it's a forest, mountains, or an open field, further enhancing the sense of connection between the interior and the natural world beyond. This dining room beautifully encapsulates the modern rustic style's ability to create spaces that feel grounded yet refined, where every meal feels like an event shared in harmony with nature. Now, let's retreat to the bedroom, a true sanctuary in the modern rustic home. This space is all about serenity and comfort, a retreat from the busyness of daily life. The focal point of the room is, of course, the bed. A sturdy frame crafted from reclaimed wood, its natural imperfections celebrated as part of the design. The bedding is soft, luxurious, but understated. Think neutral tones like cream, taupe, or soft grays, with textures that invite relaxation. Pillows and throws in soft, natural fibers like wool, linen, or cotton add warmth without overwhelming the space. The walls might feature wooden paneling, painted in soft, muted shades, or left in their natural state, creating a cozy, cabin-like feel. Modern elements are introduced through lighting, perhaps sleek industrial-style sconces flanking the bed, or a minimalist pendant light hanging from the ceiling. A simple modern fireplace could add warmth to the room, its design clean and understated, providing both heat and ambiance. The large windows, typical of the modern rustic style, allow natural light to flood the room during the day, while offering views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine waking up to the sight of the mountains, forest, or fields just beyond your window, the perfect reminder of the home's connection to nature. This bedroom is the epitome of rustic comfort with a modern edge, simple, soothing, and serene. Finally, let's step outside onto the patio, a place where the modern rustic aesthetic meets the great outdoors. The patio, often an extension of the home's living space, is designed for relaxation, entertaining, and connecting with nature. The decking is made from weathered wood, blending seamlessly with the landscape around it. A modern outdoor seating area, perhaps with sleek, low-profile lounge chairs or a simple wooden dining set, offers the perfect spot for al fresco dining or late-night conversations under the stars. The furniture is modern in shape but rustic in material, creating a seamless blend of comfort and style. A stone fire pit or outdoor fireplace stands as the focal point, providing warmth and light as the sun sets. Lanterns, string lights, or even recessed lighting along the patio's edge add a soft glow, making the space feel magical after dark. Potted plants and greenery surround the area, enhancing the connection to the natural environment. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone, the patio is designed to make you feel at home, both in your surroundings and with nature itself. This outdoor living space is a true reflection of the modern rustic style: natural, welcoming, and effortlessly beautiful. The modern rustic style is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating spaces that feel authentic, grounded, and deeply connected to the world around us. From the warm, inviting living room to the sleek, functional kitchen, from the tranquil bedroom to the open-air patio, each room reflects a balance of rustic charm and modern elegance. If this journey through a modern rustic home has inspired you, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more design inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this room-by-room exploration of a home that truly embraces the best of both worlds.